Hey, what's up guys? So today I want to show you guys how to clean your Glock 17 9mm and oil it right after the range. Usually I do it after every range. So I'm using Shooter Lube solvent and Shooter Lube oil. I did transfer the oil into a fine tip just like this so I can get into the slide area. So now, safety first, make sure the pistol is cleared. You can see here, no magazine. Take my trigger lock off. Okay. I like to bring it back and lock the slide in. So you can see in there, the barrel is empty. Check it with my pinky and we're good to go. So safety is always first. Make sure it's completely clear. When I'm doing cleaning or anything, I do not keep live ammunition next to me at all. So it's all ready to go. So let's take it apart and clean it and oil it. So at the end, I use a D-wipe to clean leads and all metal materials. And I have a nice little gun kit here. Everything will be in my description of what I use. Okay, so let's get it over and done with. Okay, so to take your slide apart, basically, you can do it with the trigger engaged or the trigger not engaged, and I will show you exactly what I mean. So right now the trigger is engaged because they go back and the trigger is engaged. So you grab it here, bring it back just a bit, bring these two down, bring it forward, press your trigger, and it comes right off. Okay, that's one way. The other way is, don't have your trigger engaged, bring it back the same exact way, put these two down, gloves. Okay, so the other way is, make sure your trigger is not engaged, bring it back, push these two pins down, bring it forward, and it comes apart. So those are the two ways. Okay, so now we're gonna start with taking apart your slide. So you can take everything apart future. Right now I did not use it that much to take out everything, but this is a quick way. So take your spring out. This is the spring, your barrel, and it's pretty much ready to be cleaned. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with the barrel. I like throwing the solvent so I can loosen the lead or the metal materials. Okay, and I let it sit, the spring, give it a nice little spray, let it sit. So now, the brush I will use in a couple. We're gonna start off with the metal little brush. Okay, grab your barrel. One. You can see the powder just coming out towards the end. Look at that. Spray a little more. Okay, I like spinning it for some reason. Okay, now that's pretty much set. Take this off and grab my 9mm tip to patch the wipes. These are the wipes. Lock it in, slide it. Okay, you can see there, very dirty. Look at that. Grab another one. Slide it through. Okay, I'll basically keep doing this until the wipe comes out pretty clean. Let's go one more. Okay, so then give it a fast wipe on the outside to get ready to get oiled. Now the spring, I just clean it up. So now the slide, I'll switch this and I'll put the brush. Again, shoot it with a little solvent. And now I'll clean the rails. You don't want to use a hard brush. Okay. And this little part right here where your fire pin usually get very bad, so I like to pass this just like this. Okay, rag, clean it all up. Okay, to the area that you can't get a Q-tip. You can see, very dirty. Okay, look at that, very dirty. Firing pin, very dirty too. Okay, so that's pretty much clean. Final, this part right here. Again, spray this just a little bit. Okay, now clean the rails, both sides, front and back. Okay, go softly here. Okay, go down here. See in there, it's very dirty. See there? Oh, go with it. Very dirty. Use your Q-tips for the parts that you can't reach. Put the video back. Now it looks way better. And then the Q-tip spray down. And I will continue trying to get to parts that I can't really get to. You can see that it's still dirty. Okay. So this pistol, soon I will have to take it apart so I could get everything clean. Okay, you can see that is very dirty still. Okay, so that is all set. Get in here. Okay, so now we're gonna oil it. Shooter lube has a tip like this. It's pretty big. I really didn't like it, so I am using my own little pointy oiler bottle. So start off with this part right here, trigger part, where the slide goes. I oil this little bar right here, oil the little bar. Usually get that one too. Get a little 1 dot back here, throw some in the bottom. Okay, your slide, you'll put it on the whole slide area. Okay, and that will be both sides. Okay, final, dry up your barrel. Your barrel's all dried up. So I usually put here, okay, in here, on top, back here. Okay, now this part, just like that. Okay, so it's oiled. So let's put it together. Grab your slide, put your barrel, your spring, this side to the back, that side to the front. Bring it down to the second one. Okay. Grab your handle, slide it in. Okay. Always I like making sure nice and smooth. And now to finish it, I like to use the D-wipes and wipe it down. And your pistol is pretty much clean. This one I will upgrade a little more. I did put a TLR6 laser with flashlight, and it has the cover for the behind the magazine, and to final it has the grip, texture grip for better handling. So thinking about changing the sight soon, changing the back plate, but we'll continue. But this is awesome pistol, love it, and that is how I clean and oil my Glock 17.